Vata Ruddhi Lakshanaha. That means what are the Lakshanas that can be observed if the Vata dosha is increased in the body. That is the meaning of Vata Ruddhi Lakshanaha. So shloka goes like this. Vata Ruddho, split it, Vata plus Ruddho, Vak Paurusham, Kasharyo, Kashnaryo, Ghatra Spuranam, until here, next split it, Ushna Kamitah, next Nidranasho, Alpa Balatvam, Ghada Varchastvam, Chaha, according to Sushruta Sutraha 15/13. Next, according to Ashtanga Hridaya, Ruddastu Kurate Anilaha, Ruddastu. ಕೂರತೆ ಅನಿಲಃ ಕಾಶರ್ಯೋ ಕಾಶ್ನರ್ಯೋ ಉಷ್ಣಕಾಮತ್ವ ಕಂಪ ಅನಾಹ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಪ ಅನಾಹ ಶಕೃದ್ ಗ್ರಹಣಂ ಬಲಃ ಇಂದ್ರಿಯ ಭ್ರಂಶ ಪ್ರಲಾಪ ಭ್ರಮ ದೀನತಃ. I hope you understood. Now we'll understand the each meaning. See, first one is Vata Ruddho. That means Vata is increased. That is Vata Ruddho. The first Lakshana that is seen will be Vak Paurusham. See, here they have explained. Vak Paurusham means dry in the speech. Vak means speech. Parusha means dryness, means hard speech. Kasharyo. Kasharyo means emaciated body, means person becomes very lean. Next, Kashnaryo, black colored. Pigmentation, hyperpigmentation is observed. Next one is Gatra Spuranam. Gatra Spuranam, dry and rough skin. Dry and rough skin. Next one is the Ushna Kamita, desire of the hot things, means hot foods. Next one is the Nidranasho Alpa Balatvam. Nidranasha means loss of sleep, that is known as the insomnia. Next one is the Alpa Balatvam, that is known as the less strength or loss of strength. Alpa Balatvam Bhala Bramshaha. This Bhala Bramsha is said according to Ashtanga Hridaya. Here they given say Bala in Nidra Indriya Bramsha Palapa. Split it. First word is Bala. Next one is Nidraha. Next one is Indriya. Means loss of the strength in the Bala, Nidre and the Indriya. That means sense organs that can be observed. Next one will be the Ghad Varchastva. Here they are given, see, Ghad Varchastvam. That means constipation. According to Charaka Shakrit Grahana. Here it is there, see. Kampa Anaha. Next word is Shakrit Grahana. That means constipation. Next one is Kampa and Anaha. That means tremors and the loss of sense organs function. Here it is there, see, Kampa Anaha. Split it. Kasharyo Kashnaryo Ushna Kamatvaha Kampa Anaha. Split it. Kampa and Anaha. Next one is the Indriya Bramsha, impaired of the normal sense organs. Pralapa, delirium, means mental state will be not good. Next one is the Brahma, that means delusion. Both the meaning you understood. Vruddhastu Kurate Anila, that means increased of the Vataha. Kurate Anila means Vayu is increased in the body, that will causes to Kashyaryo, emaciated, Kashnaryo, black discoloration. Ushna Kamatva means hot food liking. Next, Kampa Anaha, tremors. Shakrit Grahana means constipation. Bala in Nidra Indriya Bramsha Pralapa, loss in strength, sleep and Indriya. This much is the Ruddhi that can be observed in the Vata Ruddhi Lakshanaha. Next one is the Vata Kshaya Lakshanaha. Vatakshaya Lakshana, again two shlokas. Vatakshayōho mandacheshtataha alpavakatva praharsha mood sangyata cha. Split it. Vatakshaya. Next one is until here, that is mandacheshtataha. Next alpavakatva praharsha mood sangyata cha. Next one is Linga Kshine Anile Angasya Sado Alpa Bhashite Hitam Sangya Mahostatah Shleshma Ruddha Yukta Amaya Sambhava Ashtangarude Sutrasthana 11 by 15. So Vata Kshaya means if Vata is decreased in the body, then what are the Lakshanas that can be observed? So first one is according to Sushruta Sura. Vata Kshaya means Vata is decreased. Manda Cheshta means movement is decreased in the body. Alpa Vakatva means less speak. Next is Praharsha. Praharsha means here less talking and less thinking and less physical activity. Praharsha means less talking and less physical activity. Muda Sangata means loss in the some sense organ functions. Next one is Linge Kshine Anila Angasya. Linga means signs. Linga means symptoms. Lingi means signs. Next one is Linga Kshine means decrease. Linga Kshine Anila Vataha. That means if Vata is decreased in the Angasya means in the body, that leads to Sadho Alpa means less talk. Bhashita Hitam Sukshma Bhashito Hitam means say less talking and less thinking. Less talking and the less thinking. Next, Sangya Mahostata means loss of sense organs function. Next one, Shleshma Ruddha Yukta Amaya Sambhava. Shleshma means Kapha dosha. Ruddha means Kapha dosha is increased. Amaya means diseases. If you split it, Shleshma Ruddha Yukta Amaya Sambhavas. Kapha dosha disorders can be observed. See, Vata is inversely proportional to the Kapha dosha. So whenever the Kapha dosha is increased in the body, Vata dosha will decrease. Whenever the Vata dosha will be increased, at that time Kapha dosha will be decreased in the body. So the both are the irreversible. When the Vata Kshaya Lakshana is observed, no, at that time Kapha Ruddhi Lakshana can be observed.